Zero-day vulnerabilities are one of the most dangerous threats in cybersecurity. But what exactly are they, and why are they so critical? A zero-day vulnerability is a security flaw in software or hardware that the vendor or developer is unaware of. It's called zero-day because they have 0 days to fix it before attackers exploit it. Once discovered by attackers, these flaws allow hackers instant access, putting data and systems at immediate risk. 0 days are dangerous because there's no immediate defense, leaving systems exposed. Detecting zero-day vulnerabilities requires advanced tools like behavior analysis and machine learning. Proactive threat hunting and security patches are key to limiting potential damage. Zero-day vulnerabilities are a constant threat. Stay protected by updating software, using strong firewalls like ModShield SB, and deploying intrusion detection systems